Hey, how you doing? So today I picked up a new batch of weed eaters, a blower, and a mower. None of them work. I think the blower works. So I got this mower for $10. They have no idea what's wrong with it, so that'll be fun. I have these two. I have this weed eater I got for $25, and then I got the rest of these for $20, and none of these work. So this one, the blower, I think I'll hook it up to the power cord, see if that works, and then we have the two electric ones right here. This one has a charger. It needs a battery though, and this one needs a battery and charger. So I'll start ordering those in. And these two, one of them, the guy said the spark plug probably needs fixing, but we'll have to take a look for it ourselves. Get those running, clean the carburetors. This one, I'm gonna guess it's the carburetor because it has compression, and it sounds pretty good when you try to start it up. I'll do a startup for it, and let's get these fixed. Alright, so I think that other weed eater that we just worked on, I'm pretty sure it has like a blown piston ring or something, because there's oil in the spark plug. I'll have to take another look by myself and let you guys know, but let's get working on this mower, see if this will work for sunset. Alright, this looks pretty. It has some dirt on it. We'll just clean that off with our fingers. Why not? I'm just trying to get this thing running pretty fast because sunset's soon. It's a big sponge. Alright, get this thing back in here, like so. And we'll take a closer look at this. Alright. Oh. Wait, is this the carburetor right here? Where's the carburetor? So while you guys were gone, I went in under here, took this off. I tried to get this off. I have no idea if this thing even has a carburetor. Alright, let's take this out, see what it looks like. There was a little bit of carbon in there, but I don't think there's any. Yeah, that's good. There's no oil in there, so we'll go ahead and put a little bit of fuel in there and see if it starts. Alright, so I just did it, test to see if there was a spark, and I was pretty stupid and had my hand on the metal part, so I did get shocked, but it wasn't that bad. So we have spark. Okay, so you go ahead and pour just a little bit in. Alright. Oh, wait. Okay. Got some in there. Where's the spark plug at? Oh, there it is. Being all loud. Alright, we got some in there. Tighten that up just a little bit. And let's see if it starts. Alright, boys. We know she runs. But, gotta figure out that fuel problem. So, hey guys, so I looked it up. I couldn't find any videos or anything on what this thing is, but I did figure out replacements. It looks like this whole thing is the carburetor. So we'll go ahead and take this out before. So, let's go ahead and take this throttle line out. And we'll put that back in so we remember. Actually, we'll put it up here because I won't remember. Alright, let's take this baby out. Right there. Got that out. And got that off. Now we gotta kind of wiggle this off. Got that out. Alright. Now we'll take this tube off. Okay, like that. And then take these all, yeah, I'll go ahead and take just one off, just this one. And that, what size did that take? Hold on. Alright, we didn't need to get the socket for it because it's just hand tightened from last time. Alright, we're gonna get this baby running. Alright, so we got that off. That's the only thing right there. So, right now, we need 1, 2. Wait, is there another one? Alright, I think it's just one right here, right there. That takes the 3/8 too. Alright, that'll come off. Come on. Get your big hands in there. Alright, we got that. Alright, can we go ahead and take this off? Wow, this whole thing comes off. Oh my god. Alright, so we have to take this little throttle cable off. Where's this? Alright, so that goes right there. Hope I remember all this. Man, this thing looks disgusting. There's like weird mold growing on it. Alright, so I guess we're just gonna drain it through the little nozzle part. Alright. Take you off of the thing right here. Alright. We'll go ahead and dump it in the ew. Guys, look at that. What is that? Somebody in the comments tell me if that's bad fuel or... Oh god, look in there. I don't know if you can see it. That's a lot of grime. Sorry. That is disgusting. Those chunks. Alright, I'll get back with you guys when it's done dripping. Alright, so we're out here, better light. I'm gonna go ahead and put some carb cleaner through it. Let it slosh around a little bit because I showed you the pictures. So, let's get to it. Alright, we'll let that sit and see if this comes off. Oh, it does. Cool. Alright. Let's see. We're gonna go ahead and clean these. So, I don't have my stand out here. So, I'm just gonna clean it and show you guys after. Alright, so I cleaned it up a little bit. Got all this cleaned up. So yeah, let's put it back together. Well, that kind of went in there, I think. Yep. And we'll just kind of line up the holes again, like so. And screw it in. There's 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Alright, so we have to attach that to that, this to this, and I'll show you guys putting the bolts in, I guess. Alright, so we got this on. I'll show you putting in the bolts. You have to put this thing on in between those. Out of the sun, and I did a little bit of wiggling and I got that little spacer in. So just hand tighten that, I guess. Okay, now there's another bolt, goes in the side right here. So screw that in with the other hand. I'm not too good with my left. Alright, now we have to connect the throttle things. So this thing, that one goes in that hole. Get in there. Okay, that's in that hole. That one goes in that hole. Right. That small one goes in that hole. That one goes in that hole. Alright, so I just took a look at all the throttle cables and the springs. I'm pretty sure I have it in the right positions for all of them. I guess we'll run it and see if it works. You definitely don't want to get a quattro engine. I'm not sure if I did the throttle wrong or not, but you have to keep it around that point right there, or you'll like blow up the engine. So, because like it revs way too high. All right, let me try to do this. I have to push the bubble in a few times, my bad. Alright. Move the throttle up just a little bit so it has a little bit of tension. And a little bit more.